Well, hey there, we're back at it. The Tusk D-Sport Adventure, it's got a sidewall, man. So we gotta work on this sidewall. Oh, that was easy. Okay. That bead, flip it over. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna come off real nice. Nice and easy. There we go. Came right off. We got a Tusk D-Sport motorcycle tube, 2mm. That's a 90-121. I think the recommendation was 80-121, but I got the 90. I don't remember why, because that was the same size as the tire. Hopefully it'll work anyway. Rotation this way. Okay. Yep, all right, so we've got our yellow dot right here. Gonna put our valve stem right on the yellow dot. Yellow dot, I believe, is the lightest part of the tire. And we'll just slide this on. We're gonna need some lubricant. It's my handy dandy Windex. There we go. Now I'm just going to make sure the inner tube is on the inside of that thing. Just push it in. This sidewall on the Tusk D-Sport Adventure is actually really pretty intense. So let's go ahead and put it on. We got it. Cool. All right. The Tusk D-Sport Adventure has been installed on the front. Woo! Sweet. This is about when you would put it back on the bike, but we have some more work to do. We got to do the forks, and we got to do the bars, and we got a bunch more stuff to do. So this is going to stay off the bike while we do the forks. And yeah, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.